What's going on? This is Markie and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial, and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can personally send you a link to check out. So let's get started. With all that is going on right now, is no better time to step up your game and reskill and upskill yourself in regards to supply chain management. A supply chain constitutes the movement and storage of the reserved supplies and finished goods from the point of origin to the point of consumption. You will get educated in the main job of a supply chain executive or manager, which is to manage the supply chain so that the cycle time can be reduced. The supply chain should be planned and implemented in a manner that there is a coordination in the supply system. So let me give you a rundown of what this online course will consist of. Lesson 1 and 2 will discuss the professional certification and get you acquainted with the APICS practitioners. You'll find out about the concept of an operating system and the use of the supply chain. You will also learn about MRPII, which MRPII creates a logical structure for information, activities, and materials to flow. You will also see the other half of the organization, such as SOP, Sales and Operation Planning. You will understand how to identify key focus areas and appreciate the benefits of following the SOP cycle. Lessons 3 and 4 will go over forecasting. It will explore the history and the nature of forecasting and discuss customers' demand. You'll be taught how to create a process to develop and update weekly or monthly forecasts. You'll explore the many different forecasting techniques, including the Delphi method, panel census, and historical analogy. Depending on how your business company is set up, you'll start to get a sense of forecasting methods to use for which situation. You will learn that all manufacturing operations have strategies which are represented by a business plan and a production plan. A typical business plan identifies technology and equipment, human resource needs, material requirements, warehouse location, and a distribution method. You'll need a master scheduler to manage your MPS effectively. This lesson will teach you how to master schedules, convert the production schedule to an MPS, then apply a final assembly schedule, and use available to promise or the ATP to satisfy customer orders. One of the great inventions to tracking orders is the MPR, the Material Requirement Planning. You'll discover how MPR can help your company. You'll learn about the basic dependent demand, bills of materials, and inventory records, and study the various reports and schedules. You'll also learn in which a lot of supply chain personnel don't really know the in-depth of, and that is lead time. This lesson will identify its components and discuss how you can successfully control it. Then this lesson will finish off by studying operation overlapping as a way to improve production and keep material flowing smoothly. You'll know how to develop and use a Gantt chart, understand basic scheduling principles and processes. You will learn how to overcome production schedule challenges, learn how to use priority rules to sequence work orders, use shop loading, and manage work orders. There's much more to this 12-lesson online course, but this is just a quick rundown. You will learn how to have an online instructor to answer any online questions you may have. Also, there will be a chapter and quizzes to ensure that you're learning important aspects of every chapter. Chapter assignments to help you practically use the supply chain management skills that you will learn during the course. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie, and there I also have a page, online certification course, where you can like and follow as well. So please make sure you check out these certification courses as well that's floating around right here. Hope to catch you at the next tutorial. Many thanks. It's Markie, and I'm out.